So we are at the Hilton Garden on West 35th Street. It's pretty, I mean, it's a standard New York style hotel room. We're up on the 4th floor and we get to be at the front and get to see everyone pass by us. And the bathroom, the bed, standard, I think like queen king size bed because it's just my mom and I. And then the bathroom, just the standard stuff. So far so good. And they gave us a couple free water bottles. So we're gonna get ready to Calaban. So we just got here to New York. It took us about like 4.5 hours Amtrak. Highly recommend taking Amtrak over a Greyhound. Much better experience. I've personally never taken a Greyhound and I don't really want to because I'm so loyal to Amtrak. Now we're literally at a restaurant right next door, the Hanbat restaurant, as this chopsticks tell us. Ooh, look at the fountain. Actually, when I was here last time, there weren't any flowers yet and there wasn't any water because it was spring and still kind of wintry mixed, but it's so pretty. Look at it. There's a ton of vendors and the library is just right over there. We're just here for a pit stop because we're gonna head over to our next location, which is about 10 minutes away. So let's just follow me and we're gonna head there. So I'm in Times Square right now and it's packed. It is Friday. There are a bunch of people out and about. It is summer/spring break. And I'm gonna just point it over, like holy crud. This is the whole line for like Broadway, for just getting tickets day of for Broadway. I could never be this patient. This is worse than Disneyland. Oh, and look, a TikTok group just right over here. Never actually seen a lot of like TikTokers out and about, but it's actually just kind of funny to me, but I'm enjoying it. My mom and I actually decided to go inside the vessel. Wasn't too long of a wait line. Cool trick. So I'm gonna show you right now. If you put your phone on the floor of it, you get this cool effect. Look at that. Okay, so we're here over at BCD Tofu. I started not feeling super great because I've been traveling a lot the past month, basically. Okay, so they just came over with the original Soon tofu. So this place, they actually make their own tofu. And I got the original with a pork, I think. So I'm wearing a gym, crack neck. So put it in there. For those who have never had Korean food before. It's so hot where it'll cook, so I'm excited for this to cook. Good morning, everyone. It is like 8 in the morning. I passed out around like 11:30 last night. But anyways, we have a 9 a.m. appointment over at Summit One Vanderbilt, which is pretty new. It just opened in 2021, so I'm really excited. And we haven't had breakfast yet, so we are heading over to Zucker's Bagels and Fish Shop. I believe that's what it's called, which is, all of this is like a 15-minute walk from us. So get ready to join us on our walk. We're here over at Zucker's, and so they make their bagels like hand rolled. So I have a pumpernickel, strawberry smear here, and then I have, what is this? I have a garlic with sun-dried tomato, so I'm gonna give it a shot right now. The bagel is just so soft, and the strawberry goes well with it. Then I'm gonna try the garlic with some tomato. That's good too. Now for the drinks, my mom got a black coffee. I got a vanilla chai. In total, this all costs about like $20. Not too bad considering we've been spending like $20 per person. So So this is basically like a Vogue-inspired look. We are going with the trash-covered, you know, the trash bag-covered shoes, probably like a $900 Yeezy equivalent with some sunnies. That's probably like a $500 addition on top of that. The whole pass is about, what, $50, and we did our appointment at 9 a.m. Oh, dang, this is bright. Oh, damn. Dang, this is so bright. Ooh, look at all the windows. Ooh. Oh, I can't really tell where the end of this is. It's kind of hard. But ooh, look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Here, I'm gonna find a spot. So we're up on the 91st floor. And dang, look how far that is. Look how far that is. Oh my goodness. And if you look down, I can look down at my feet. So if you are on the floor, you just put this down, and there you go. You look like you're in the Matrix. I'm falling! I feel like I'm having my Spy Kids 2 moment when they're falling down from the sky. These are like styrofoam plastic, and it's all around us. So let me try. Let me see if I can get a shot myself. Ooh, look, it's a party. We're gonna party. Oh, I was expecting that to go a different way, but oh well. We're now heading outside, and it's actually kind of nice out. It's not that bad. So now we are here in Central Park. This is the first time I've been here during like summer time frame, and it's so green, it's so nice. I'm in nature, well, still within the city. Last time we went, it was like winter and it was snowed over, so that wasn't fun. So we're gonna see how it looks like now. Dang, this park is freaking huge. Look at it. It's big. You know, if you said that you were gonna have a birthday party here, you're gonna have to airdrop a specific location because everyone's gonna wonder where the heck you are. Now, my mom did bring up an interesting question. What happens if you need to use the restroom? And I would like to say there are a bunch of trees. I feel like there are trees for a reason if you cannot use the bathroom. And so nature is your bathroom. So we're right here at Margon. It's a Cuban restaurant, and you can tell with the music playing in the background. I got a Cubano sandwich. My mom got a tuna sandwich, so we're gonna see if it tastes pretty good. Oh, this place is so good. I wish I had like 3 stomachs to get more food, but I do not. So of course we had to do a pit stop at Jollibee because what kind of Filipino wouldn't do that? So we're gonna get the peach mango pie, of course, because that's always something. Besides the Jollibee chicken, you always get the peach mango pie when it makes sense to go without it. So we're gonna get a couple of those for dessert from our Cuban lunch that will be leftovers for dinner because it's so big and I love it. It was probably one of my favorites, and it was such a big hole in the wall. We are actually taking our Amtrak back to Boston, so keep posted. We are now headed back to our, I know I don't have my mic in, but we're officially heading back to Boston on our train, and I think that's the line right there, so.